In this video we will learn that how we can connect the external data source for creating a pivot table. Okay, so the external data source might be anything, might be my computer data, might be my SQL data, might be my Azure data, so any other data might be. So it is not there, suppose in Excel sheet or any other this platform it is not there. Suppose for the last video we have seen we got the data as a Excel format or a CSV format, that kind of. So that's why we created a pivot table. But now this time we don't have, we have it is the other source like SQL or any other platform, that data are there. So we want to connect that data source and then we will do the pivot table. Okay, we will create a pivot table. So how we will do, suppose now I am taking a blank sheet. Okay, now I will go to insert. There inside pivot table there is one drop down. The drop down we can select that from external data source. Okay, and from table or range, that is also there. So this time we will use from external data source. I will click this. Now it is asking choose connection. So whenever I will select choose connection, so that time it might be anything, might be here one drop down is there, all collection, all connection. Here might be work, any other workbook, any other connection files on the same network, or connection files on this computer. Okay, so this network, suppose you are running SQL. Okay, so that time your data is in SQL, there also you can connect it. So for this video what I will do, I will keep it all connection, and what I will do, I will connect browse for more. Okay, I will go here. So here I have one sample data. I will go to download section, and there I will connect, suppose employee data 3. Let me take it. So employee data 3 already is there, so I will open it. Now let's see how it works. Let me cancel it. Let me connect the data. Let me open it. Okay, so now what is happening now, it is asking do I create a new worksheet or the existing worksheet, because the existing worksheet also it is empty. So here also we can do, otherwise if you want you can create a new worksheet, and there also we can do. Another filtration is there, suppose add this data to data model. So as of now for this video we are not doing any data modeling, anything. So in later videos it may be. So anyway, as of now we will check, we will do it as we will leave it as unchecked. Okay, so I am taking the existing worksheet. So this is this sheet number 7. So I will press OK. So whenever I am clicking this, so that means no data will come here, but the header and all those things will come here, so that I can create a pivot table. Okay, so again here you can modify this format as well. So last video I did not tell you, I forgot to tell you, but here I just want to show you this format you can again modify. So here the setting option is that you can go setting, and here you can select this one as well. So the format will look like this. So this is also very handy. Otherwise you can use the existing, the default one, that is the default one, so you can use it. So anyway, so now I will create my pivot table. So I have connected my data source, external data source I have connected, and now I will do the same thing, like suppose region wise customer name I want to get, or yeah, customer name region wise. So region wise customer name I want, suppose, or employee name I want. So let's see how it works. So here it is, the east, from east these are the person, these are the employees are there. From north these are the employees are there. From south these are the employees are there. So like this way. So now I can select their state as well. So let me click it. Okay, so here it is coming like this. East I have state I have clicked. So here from east under or nope, these are the states are coming. So anyway, like that way we don't want to get, suppose I can move this thing. Suppose employee may be in column section, or employee may be, it should not be value, but anyway we can play around with this. Suppose I will remove the state. I don't need state. I need only the region wise employee name. So that's how we can play. So we have got the idea. As of now, I think we know that how we can create a table, how we can design. These are the basic things. Slowly we are going forward to the advanced field. We will learn a lot of things. There are a lot of things about pivot table and about pivot table, so we will learn a lot. These are the very basic things, just I want to make you understand. Okay, so I think you have got the idea how we can connect our external data source. So suppose you are using SQL or any other data source, so in the later videos it may be that module may be there, but basic, if I say, that is we can connect our any other external data. Okay, so in this video we have learned how we can connect our external data and we can create a pivot table. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.